Hello, my name is Paul Mua. I am a teacher at Rio Valley Charter School at the Broadway Learning Center here in Sacramento, California. Our school is a credit recovery program for high school students. It consists of students in grades 10 to 12. It is independent study, and once the student earns their high school credits, they will get their high school diploma. I believe our school should implement Khan Academy as their base for a blended initiative learning within the school program. Khan Academy is great because their mission is to provide a free, world-class education for anyone, anywhere. They have personalized learning resources for all ages. So why should Rio Valley Charter School use Khan Academy? Like I said, it provides a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. It uses personalized learning resources for all ages. It offers practice exercises, instructional videos, and personalized learning dashboard for students, for learners to study at their own pace in and outside of the classroom. It's great for independent study credit recovery program. The tutorial videos are only 10 minutes long. You see? It's less than 10 minutes. It's actually 6 minutes and 33 seconds. They give you step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. They don't only just tell you one strategies on how to do it. They give you 2 different ways on how to solve it. So it's kind of cool. This is an example of the tutorial videos. Here's an example of the practice exercises where they give you a problem and you would type the answers. And then if you don't understand it, you could always go and click here and get a hint. And then they give you more instructions on the content. And then you check your answers down here. Khan Academy do follow the Intercall standards. For example, for Intercall Standard E, they ask that the online teacher models, guides, and encourage legal, ethical, and safe behavior related to technology use. Khan Academy does this by implementing acceptable use policies in their lessons. The teachers models and comply with the intellectual property policies. The teachers use standards to help the students learn the content. Not only that, they also use the technology that may lead to academic dishonesty. So if the teacher feels like the students is not being dishonest, they will intervene. Intercall Standard F. The online teacher is cognizant of the diversity of students' academic needs and incorporates accommodation into the online environment. Well, Khan Academy teachers understand students learn differently and they try to meet the needs of all the students. So when the teacher will assign the tutorial as homework, and then they'll come back to class the following day to solve the problem together. And the video is used as an enhancement, not as a replacement. So it's just a tool that the students can use to learn the content better. Khan Academy, the teacher also expands students' thinking because they address the different styles of learning, provides avenues for enrichments for intervention. The teachers identify which students are struggling, then the teacher apply appropriate strategies and intervention to support their learning when it's needed. The automated testing when they're doing the lessons is embedded into the program so the students can be stronger at learning the content. So far, so good, right? We shall incorporate Khan Academy.